Namaskar. In this video, I will give the details of our Defense Academy, the Forces Foundation. While serving in NCC unit in Nagpur as officer commanding, I established Cadet Development Center. Aim of this center was to guide and train the NCC cadets to join the Armed Forces of India. Some of the initial successes achieved by the Cadet Development Center are as shown. In 2007, I took premature retirement from the Indian Army. Thereafter, I established the Forces Foundation to guide and train the Armed Forces aspirants. First press conference was held in February 2008 as per the details shown here. The guidance programs that are conducted in our Defense Academy are as shown. We provide guidance for various exams like National Defense Academy, Combined Defense Services, Air Force Common Admission Test, Indian Navy Entrance Test, Services Preparatory Institute Aurangabad, Services Selection Board Interview, and exams for joining Sainik schools and military schools. Media coverage. Some top achievers of our academy are as shown here. Here we believe in teaching and learning for success. We have spacious and dedicated premises located in the heart of Nagpur city. Spacious classrooms are equipped with latest training aids. We ensure coaching for success. Training models are available for Services Selection Board interview. In-house facilities are there for improving physical fitness. Exhaustive and comprehensive training material is issued to all candidates. These are the books which are issued for CDS, FCAT and INET exams. These books are issued for NDA exam. Books issued for SPI Aurangabad written exam are as shown here. In addition to attending physical classes in our classrooms, we also provide e-learning facilities to the students so that they can access various training material in their own time and revise and improve their knowledge. These e-learning facilities can be accessed either through an Android device or through laptop or desktop. Through the e-learning facilities, we provide them notes, videos and online tests on various subjects. Advantages of joining the Forces Foundation are given here. We charge very reasonable fees. Guidance is provided by an army officer. Comprehensive study material is issued. Effective teaching methods are ensured. Current affairs update is given regularly. All inclusive test series is held in the class and also in online mode. Video lectures on important topics are provided to students. Nothing succeeds like success. Join the Forces Foundation to join the Armed Forces of India. Our contact details are as shown here. Thanks for watching this video. Wish you all the best.